You've probably heard of Nutmeg. It's one of those investment platforms that promises to grow your money while you sleep. Sounds dreamy, right? But let's be real, when it comes to your hard-earned cash, dreams and reality can be two different things. So, the burning question is, how much interest does Nutmeg actually pay? Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I watch a video about interest rates? Isn't that boring? Trust me, it's about to get a lot more interesting than you think. Because while interest rates might sound like a snooze fest, they're actually the heartbeat of your money. They determine how much your savings grow, and ultimately, how close you are to that dream vacation, that new car, or even that early retirement. So, let's dive in. What exactly is Nutmeg? Is it a magic money-growing machine, or is it just another financial product promising the world? We're going to dissect their offerings, break down their interest rates, and most importantly, tell you if it's actually worth your money. We'll start with the basics. What kind of accounts does Nutmeg offer? Are they just for investments, or can you save your cash there too? And if you can save, what kind of interest rates are we talking about? Is it enough to beat inflation, or is your money actually losing value? But it's not just about the interest rate. We'll also talk about fees. Because let's face it, nothing in the financial world is completely free. We'll break down Nutmeg's fee structure, so you know exactly what you're paying for. And we'll compare those fees to other options out there. Is Nutmeg really giving you the best bang for your buck? We'll also talk about the risks involved. Investing, even with a platform like Nutmeg, isn't without its dangers. Your money isn't guaranteed to grow. So, we'll discuss how Nutmeg manages risk and whether it's a suitable option for your financial goals. And let's not forget about customer service. Because when things go wrong, and they sometimes do, how a company handles it can make all the difference. We'll share our experiences with Nutmeg's customer support so you know what to expect. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how much interest Nutmeg actually pays, whether it's a good fit for your financial goals, and if there are better options out there. So, if you're ready to stop dreaming about financial freedom and start making it a reality, stick around. Let's uncover the truth about Nutmeg together. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.